Hello friends, in this video we will look at what is the difference between a pre-PhD and a thesis literature review. Generally in the literature review we try to bring out the importance or the need for the work. That is a general definition that we all understand. But in a pre-PhD and in a thesis literature review there is a difference. And what is the difference? In the pre-PhD literature review, the focus is on identifying the lacuna in the literature, and you try to find out that you try to defend the problem statement that you have formulated, and your focus is on the writing of the problem statement itself. So fixing your objectives and everything is dependent on the literature review, and therefore the focus is on the formulation of the problem statement and the objectives, and that is the focus behind carrying out the pre-PhD literature review. Whereas in the thesis, the focus is on the actual technical chapters that will follow the literature review chapter, and therefore you have to specifically work on each objective, and you have to look that what all techniques already exist, what are their accuracies, and you have to bring out that how your technique is going to be better than these techniques in a theoretical manner. And therefore the focus of the pre-PhD literature review and the focus of the thesis literature review will be different. Some parts of the pre-PhD literature review will come in your main thesis review also, but the thesis review is far more extended and it includes a lot of many other things that are there. And generally you don't stop performing the literature review after you have completed the technical chapters. Also after that also latest papers need to be reviewed. If suppose you are submitting your thesis in 2019 and you have started writing in 2018, that means you have to read all the latest papers till 2018 and you have to include those as well in the literature review, because you don't leave a gap between what you have done and when the literature review was carried out. So that is why while you are performing your actual work, while you are doing your all technical chapters, still you should keep reading the literature. That is very important. So always keep track of your area on good journal websites, and you should keep reading the literature till the end, because the examiner can raise a question out of any chapter, any of the latest works that they will find related to your thesis on the internet. And therefore it is a good practice that you read the latest papers also and try to include them in your literature review, so that you have answers when the examiner is going to put question mark against your methodologies and your techniques. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much.